For the repair of the Hyundai HiAN08, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components, internal lubrication and general clean-up of the unit. For testing we use 2 portable testers and 220-volt AC power supply. The first tester is officially provided by Hyundai, and we perform the test on the air circuit breaker's electronic unit. First we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. At first we perform the long time delay test, or LTD on short. With load at 211 mA and the breaker trips at 33.066 seconds. Next we perform a short time delay test, or STD on short. With load at 638 mA and the breaker trips at 316 milliseconds. It is now clear that the Hyundai HiAN08 is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.